I'm Beth Rose and welcome back to my channel. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications. Today's craft, we're going to be doing splatter paint. Now I love this craft because it is so simple and it's also really great for younger kids. What you're going to need for today's craft is a piece of red paper, acrylic paint in pink, red, orange, white, and purple, a sponge brush, a cheap paintbrush, chalk, and a pencil. Now that you have everything gathered, you're going to take your pencil and draw a line 1/3 up the page. First, I'm going to use my pink and my orange acrylic paint. Now you want to take your sponge brush, dip it in the paint, and blob it on your paper, then spread it out real thinly to make it look like clouds. To make it look like your clouds are reflecting off water, you're going to do exactly what you did on top, but do it underneath the pencil line. Now that I'm done with the clouds and the reflection, I'm going to mix together my red and my purple paint so that it's a darker color than the colored paper underneath. Now that you have your paint mixed together, you're going to go ahead and paint on these buildings. You can do them in the middle, you can do it off to one side, or you can even fill the whole page. But just make sure that once you get the top building done, you need to draw the reflection underneath it. Now this part is optional, but I went ahead and took my red paint, did a thin line and smoothed it out, mixed it together, so it really makes my reflection more defined. Now that my paint's dry, I'm going to take my piece of chalk and I'm going to scribble in little sections and then smooth it out with my finger. What this does is it just adds layers to your picture and just softens everything up so it doesn't look as bright and colorful. Just as a fair warning, this next part can get a little messy, so just make sure you have something underneath your painting before you begin. What I'm doing here is I'm taking my orange and my white paint, watering it down a little bit, and then I'm going to load up my brush and flick it anywhere I want on the paper. I'm also going to do this with my red and white paint. Here's my finished product. I love this craft just because it's so easy to do and there's nothing better than getting messy. If you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications. Thanks for watching.